morning. Good morning. How are you all? Good. I am also fine. I am Asarada from Prayagraj UP. I study in class 7 from UP board. My topic is want and wanted. Please ask me any confusion.
Okay, your question is तुम हंसना चाहती हो.
You want to laugh. You don't want to laugh. Do you want to laugh? Don't you want to laugh? Why do you want to laugh? Why don't you laugh? Why don't you want to laugh?
Next question is मोहन क्रिकेट खेलना चाहता था.
Mohan wanted to play the cricket. Mohan didn't want to play the cricket. Did Mohan want to play the cricket? Didn't Mohan want to play the cricket? Why did Mohan want to play the cricket? Why didn't Mohan want to play the cricket? That's all. Thank you for listening.
Yeah, very good.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you all? I am also fine. I am Amara from Prayagraj UP. I study in class 8 from CBSE board. First of all, I would like to say to sir many thanks for giving me a golden chance to speak among you people. My topic is that want to and wanted. Sir, please ask me any question.
Okay, your question is अमन वह अंग्रेजी बोलना चाहती है.
She wants to speak the English. She doesn't want to speak the English. Does she want to speak the English? Doesn't she want to speak the English? Why does she want to speak the English? Why doesn't she want to speak the English? Sir, next question.
Next question is हम आम तोड़ना चाहते थे.
We wanted to pluck the mango. We didn't want to pluck the mango. Did we want to pluck the mango? Didn't we want to pluck the mango? Why did we want to pluck the mango? Why didn't we want to pluck the mango? Thank you for listening me. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you all?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. I am Karan Kumar from Prayagraj UP. I study in class 8 from UP board. My topic is that wants to and wanted to. Sir, please ask me question.
Okay, your question is वह पानी पीना चाहती थी.
She wanted to drink the water. She didn't want to drink the water. Did she want to drink the water? Didn't she want to drink the water? Where did she want to drink the water? How didn't she want to drink the water?
Yes. And next question is वह क्रिकेट खेलना चाहता है.
He wants to play the cricket. He doesn't want to play the cricket. Does he want to play the cricket? Doesn't he want to play the cricket? Where does he want to play the cricket? Where doesn't he want to play the cricket? That's all. Thank you for watching me.
Yeah, very good.
Good morning. How are you all? We are fine and you? I am also fine. I am Palakta from Prayagraj UP. I study in class 1 from UP board. First of all, I would like to say to sir, thanks for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of camera. My topic is want to, wanted. Please ask me any question.
Okay, your question is मेरी बहन भोजन पकाना चाहती है.
My sister wants to cook the food. My sister doesn't want to cook the food. Does my sister want to cook the food? Doesn't my sister want to cook the food? Why does my sister want to cook the food? Why doesn't my sister want to cook the food?
Okay, next question is हम तुम्हें पीटना चाहते थे.
We wanted to beat you. We didn't want to beat you. Did we want to beat you? Didn't we want to beat you? Why did we want to beat you? Why didn't want to beat you? That's all. Thank you for listening.
Yeah, very good.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you all?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. I am Krishna from Prayagraj UP. I study in class 7 from CBSE board. First of all, I would like to say to sir, thanks for giving me a golden opportunity to speak in front of camera. My topic is wanted. Sir, please ask me question.
Okay, your question is तुम्हारा भाई अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहता है।
Your brother wants to learn the English. Your brother doesn't want to learn the English. Does your brother want to learn the English? Doesn't your brother want to learn the English? How your brother want to learn the English? How doesn't your brother want to learn the English?
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हम तुम्हें पीटना चाहते थे।
We wanted to beat you. Why we didn't want to beat you. Why did we want to beat you? Didn't you want to beat you? How did you want to beat you? Why didn't you want to beat you? That's all. Thank you very much.
ओके, वेरी गुड क्लास।
Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I am also fine. I am Uttar Pandey from Prayagraj UP. I study in class 8. First of all, I would like to say to sir, thanks for giving me this opportunity. My topic is wanted. Sir, please ask me any question.
ओके, योर क्वेश्चन इज, वह गणित हल करना चाहता है।
He wants to solve the math. He doesn't want to solve the math. Does he want to solve the math? Doesn't he want to solve the math? How does he want to solve the math? How doesn't he want to solve the math?
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, वे पैसा कमाना चाहते थे।
They wanted to earn the money. They didn't wanted to earn the money. Did they want to? They wanted to earn the money? Didn't they want to earn the money? Where did they want to earn the money? Where didn't they want to earn the money?
यस, गुड, वेरी गुड, क्लैप फॉर हिम।
How are you all? We are fine. I am also fine. I am Prince Yadav from Prayagraj UP. I study in class 8 from UP board. My topic is one. Sir, please ask me question.
ओके, योर क्वेश्चन इज, तुम नदी में नहाना चाहते हो।
You want to bath in the river. You don't want to bath in the river. Do you want to bath in the river? Don't you want to bath in the river? Why do you want to bath in the river? Why don't you want to bath in the river?
यस, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, मोहन और सोहन दुकान खोलना चाहते थे।
Mohan and Sohan wanted to open the shop. Mohan and Sohan didn't want to open the shop. Did Mohan and Sohan want to open the shop? Didn't Mohan and Sohan want to open the shop? Why did Mohan and Sohan want to open the shop? Why didn't Mohan and Sohan want to open the shop? Thank you for listening me.
यस, वेरी गुड, क्लैप फॉर हिम।